Hey everybody, it's Sonnie coming at you again from Japan, and today I want to talk more about Japanese. So here are 5 phrases that are taught to you and translated in one way, but are a little bit or very different when you literally translate them. If you know a few words or phrases in another language that is taught one way but might be better translated another way, please comment below. I'd love to hear about them. Number 1, hai. Usually, hai is translated as yes, but if you think of the literal translation, it fits better to say that's right. If you think about negative questions in English and negative questions in Japanese, if you answer them with yes, or hai, thinking that it means yes, that could be confusing. But if you think, that's right, takes away that confusion and it makes way more sense. A good example of a negative question is something like, so you aren't a teacher? If somebody says yes, then you might say, wait, yes you are a teacher, or yes you aren't a teacher. This has happened to me in English numerous times, so to find out that hai actually means that's right, it can clear up so much confusion. So I don't know why we're not just taught that hai means that's right. Number 2, ie means that's not right or that's wrong. So this works in the exact same way that hai works. Just think about when somebody says ie, instead of thinking that it means no, think that it means that's wrong or that isn't right. And once again, confusion cleared up. 3, o genki desu ka? What we're told, o genki desu ka, translates to is, how are you? But what it literally translates to is, are you well? Because the reply is, hai, genki desu. Yes, I'm well. In America, that kind of works if you're in a less casual relationship with somebody and you're just saying, hey, how are you? Oh, I'm good. Oh, good. All right, see you. Bye. So if you're an English teacher like I am here and you ask your students, how are you? They will always respond with, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Which is of course what they're taught. But what I'm trying to teach them is that there's a wide range of potential answers to that question. If somebody really wants to know, if you're talking to your friend and you really want to know how they are, you wouldn't just reply back to your friend saying, I'm fine. You would actually give an answer. In Japanese, if you actually want an answer to how they're feeling, then a better question for you to ask would be, Kibun wa dou desu ka? Which translates more to, how are your feelings? How are your emotions? Number 4, do itashimashite. In textbooks, you're taught that do itashimashite means you're welcome, but its literal translation is more along the lines of, what have I done? And I really like this one because I personally don't like to say you're welcome when someone says thank you. I'm more the type of person that's like, no problem, really, I didn't mind doing it, you don't have to thank me, I'm just being nice. So, do itashimashite kind of works better for somebody like me. And it seems like that's the same mentality here in Japan. Number 5, shitsurei shimasu. In textbooks, you're taught that shitsurei shimasu is kind of like a more formal version of excuse me or may I interrupt, but its literal translation is more like, I'm going to be rude. And I really like that one. You're saying, I'm going to bother you. I'm going to be rude and bother you. It is more formal than sumimasen, but it's acknowledging that you're really interrupting them with their presence. So at school, when I'm speaking to other teachers, I always like to use shitsurei shimasu, especially with the vice principal and the principal. It's way more polite than just saying sumimasen. So that's my list. I hope you enjoyed this one. After my first Japanese video, I had a few people request another one. So I hope you're watching and I hope you like it. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share it on social media. And if you really liked it and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, please hit the little bell icon next to the subscription button. That way you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye! Penny's not doing anything interesting, I'm sorry. My video really bored her. Penny, say thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching, Penny. Nope.
She's just gonna sleep.
You speak more than
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe. Ooh, that looks like a cool video. You should totally watch that. Click that like button.